Got the '64 Galaxie 500 XL up on the lift today and do an inspection here for you at the undercarriage. Chrome on the bumper looks really good. You know, this is just a little bit of polish on there, but no dents, no pitting. Yeah, it looks really good. This whole thing was stripped down to bare metal, painted in the original color, as well as the interior done in the original color. So she's in beautiful shape. You can see when I pulled it in, we had a little bit of a storm going through. Let me get some light up in there for you. Bit of a storm coming through, so some mud splashed up and in, but otherwise all the undercoating conditions, you know, perfect condition. Turn off the light, you can see the lip there, rust free. And I've crawled through this. We don't have rust anywhere in it. Looking up at the rear, dual exhaust, muffler on each side, big heavy duty hitch welded in. Back when people would use these for actually towing trailers, because they're so powerful and strong. You know, bushings in the springs look good. Putting some brand new tires on it here. As soon as I'm done, I'm pulling the wheels and taking it in for some new white walls, so you will have some brand new ones in there. But again, everything is in really nice condition. Same here as you look at the quarter. Even the paint down to the lip looks really nice. Getting up in the fender well on the driver's side here. When I pull the tires, I'll take a look at the brakes. I'm sure they're fine. You can see the shocks were replaced. The rear diff looks good. Get up underneath here, kind of lower down so you can see the whole area. Dry pinion, rear diff seal looks good and clean and nice. I think it's better without the light, unless I got to get into a darker corner. Floor pans all original, all solid, no damage. Passenger side, driver's side. Come back out and catch some more rocker here on the passenger side. Do the same on the driver's side. Looks like a slight drip there on the rear tail seal of the transmission. Doesn't look like a major one coming out, but there definitely is. Let's see, a slight leak coming out too, right there. I'm looking up underneath the frame and the rocker. It's just a beautiful car. And this thing drives so nice. Driver's side, front, wheel well. It's like everything on this one, zero rust. Just a little bit of dirt. Lips look good. I did a nice paint job on this. Nowadays this paint job would cost more than the cars for sale for. Looks like we got a slight leak. Power steering. Looks like it might be that top line right there. I'll see if I can get a wrench on that. That's a 9/16. But otherwise, steering looks clean. That definitely is made a mess. Transmission pan looks good. Got a little bit of accumulation on the bell housing, but I don't see any Drips coming out of the main seal. Oil pan, block starter, nice and dry. Generator, you can see they used brass freeze plugs in there. Yeah, probably need to light it up for you. Shocks were replaced in the front, and you can see they did all the bushings, sway bar links, new bushings, sway bar itself. Lower ball joints are new, upper ball joints are new. Drums all the way around. Looks like they did some new bushings here on the steering components as well. You can see the bushings in there were replaced, and on this side, obviously with the engine rebuild, brand new motor mounts installed. Fuel filter. Looks like maybe power steering pump has a slight leak. I'll take a look at that too in the hood and see. But otherwise, radiator front end looks nice. Passenger side wheel well for you. Again, just dirt. And the lip. Front bumper, same thing on this one. No dents, no dings, no pitting. Polish, and it would look like brand new. Alright, let me know if I missed anything and you want to see some more images here. Oh, I think I forgot the passenger front rocker. There you go. Thank you.